The tools on this rack are what's referred to as your hardy tools. They go in your square hole in the anvil, which is called a hardy hole. I've made all my own tools. I basically just use whatever I need to get the shape I need. You know, this isn't rocket science. All you're doing is heating up metal and bending it, so I don't buy any tools. I make my own. I've made all my own tongs except for a couple of pair. I feel like doing that, it makes you a better blacksmith also. What I'm fixing to do is just a decorative leaf hook to hang on the wall. We'll start here by making the leaf end first and just take you through the different steps and stages. The part I'm fixing to hammer now will be the leaf tip, the tip of the leaf. Alright, there's the tip. We're going to reheat it, and when we bring it out of the heat next time, we're going to put a fuller in it. And basically the fuller, it gives me a reference point on where the stem starts and the leaf starts. When I come out of the fire this time, I'm going to do a square taper. We're going to start the process of making the round stem coming up to the leaf, and it'll take probably 2-3 heats maybe. And what I'm doing now is rounding the stem out. It'll take probably 2 more heats after this one to get it rounded and smoothed out. Okay, with this heat we're going to finish rounding out the stem and get that completed. Okay, now we've got our stem rounded out. Now we're going to drop back and start heating up this end where the leaf's going to be and start making our leaf. We do 90% custom work for homes. We do strapping for beam work in homes. We can do the old-time strapping where we make it look like it's 200 years old. We can distress it with chains and hammers and that sort of thing, and put the old-time finish on it also. What I'm fixing to do now is we're good and hot. I'm going to pull it out and start flattening this slug on the end. We're going to make a leaf. Reheat. got to reheat for the third time. If anybody wondered, the product I'm burning is coke. And coke is basically coal with all the impurities burned out of it or removed from it. That's why you don't see any smoke and very little fire. And it's about 3 times hotter than coal also, but a whole lot cleaner. Alright, our leaf's just about ready. Alrighty. Straight vein in the leaf, nothing fancy. Get it chopped down here. Alright, that completes our process of putting the veins in the leaf. Next process, we're going to reheat and shape it. The process of making a leaf hook out of this material, which is 1/2-inch stock, it generally takes around 40 minutes or so from start to finish. Alright, got the shaping started. Reheat again. And there's our completed leaf. Alrighty, what we're fixing to do now, we're going to put a fishtail on the bottom where the hook is. Fishtail around. Alright, next step in the process, we're going to be putting a twist in it.
Go ahead. I got you. Looking good. Okay.
All right, last step in the process, we're going to bend the stem, get the stem shaped. Here we go. Ready? There's our finished piece.